The issue is all about what is happening in Bangladesh. I can tell you one fact. Presently, there is only out of entire population in Bangladesh around 17 crores. Hindus constitute of 8%, just 8%. And still, this percentage is depleting. Most of the Hindus now are fleeing away from Bangladesh. India shares longest border with Bangladesh, 4096 square kilometers. We have 5 states with Bangladesh as frontier states. And in 1971, India withstood all odds to support the liberation of East Pakistan and the present Bangladesh. And the 53 years of journey with Bangladesh is always with ups and downs. Whenever Awami League comes into power, it is very close to India. Whenever Bangladesh National Party comes into power, it always maintains a conservative distance with India. Coming to the recent episode, 3 months back, Sheikh Hasina was dismantled from power. She flew to India to escape from clutches of law in Bangladesh. There were many cases and complaints that were against Sheikh Hasina today in Bangladesh. India just have given a temporary asylum to Sheikh Hasina. Muhammad Yunus have become a chief advisor for transitionary government in Bangladesh. Now the question is, though the government in Bangladesh, they are speaking and telling that there was a law and order, there was a stability, but the issue is there is a strong economic crisis and missing of law and order in Bangladesh. In fact, it seems that if you observe, they have removed the face of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman from currency notes. And people are claiming that, particularly the minorities in Bangladesh are now suffering, and they are saying that they are government-induced attacks on minorities. Particularly recently, Chinmay Krishnadas. Earlier, he used to work in ISKCON. He was arrested and he was kept in jail in Bangladesh on the grounds of sedition. So, the situation is highly precarious. Recently, Indian Foreign Secretary also visited Bangladesh to express Indian concern with respect to minority rights in Bangladesh. In spite of all these things, Mamata Banerjee also urged PM Modi to intervene into the issue, but still attacks on Hindus are being continued in Bangladesh. Recently, there were protests in Agartala's consulate office against the attacks on Hindus. There was a protest in Bangladesh consulate office, and Bangladesh Foreign Office have summoned Indian ambassadors and Indian diplomats and asked them the reason and expressed the concern over security breach in Bangladesh consulate office in Tripura, Agartala. And these are the issues that are flaring up in Bangladesh. I can tell you, alleged ill treatment of Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. Hindus constitute around 8% of Bangladesh total 17 crore population. In the aftermath of chaotic situation in Bangladesh after Sheikh Hasina's escape from Bangladesh, many of our supporters were targeted, including those from religious minorities traditionally seen as backing her, Sheikh Hasina's Awami League party. ISKCON temples suffered from minor damages. ISKCON temples were vandalized by miscreants, property and houses. The Ministry of External Affairs of India pointed out that these attacks, including arson, looting of minority-owned properties, theft, vandalism, and desecration of temples and deities in Bangladesh have continued unchecked by the Bangladesh government. It was noted that despite these attacks, religious leaders like Chinmay Krishnadas, etc. were also being, along with these attacks, religious leaders are also being imprisoned. The situation has become tensed again in the aftermath of arrest of Hindu leader Chinmay Krishnadas. He was arrested on the charges of sedition. And so, this is a thing that is coming up in Bangladesh, and there were many issues. Even Mamata Banerjee wants UN Peacekeeping Mission to enter into Bangladesh and support the minority rights there. She is asking that UNPKF should be commissioned in Bangladesh, and she is asking Prime Minister Modi to intervene in the issue. And Indian government has called this as deeply regrettable episode in Bangladesh. And Indian government also now taking the issue very seriously with respect to minority rights in Bangladesh. Okay.